DJ Khaled filming album visuals right here in Jamaica. The We the Best head honcho recently returned to Jamaica to film visuals for his upcoming album, Father of Assad, set to be released in May of this year.
So we're giving you some behind-the-scenes footage of the Father of Assad cover shoot, album packaging, and just a bunch of dope pics for the head top. Doing it with Jonathan Mannion.
Very sweaty Jonathan Mannion, live and direct from Jamaica.
His return to Jamaica also sparked speculation that the DJ will make an appearance at Buju Banton's Long Walk to Freedom concert, slated for this Saturday at the National Stadium. Artists billed for the highly anticipated concert are Chronix, Coca T, Etana, Ghost, Remain Virgo, Delhi Ranks, Agent Sasko, and Buju's son Jazeel. Meanwhile, LGBT advocates will be pleased that the Till Charlotte DJ will not perform that controversial Boom Bye Bye track during his 90-minute set. Selectors have also confirmed that the song Boom Bye Bye will not be played at the Long Walk to Freedom after party, slated for the same night at the Mass Camp. Dancehall artist Popcorn's new track dubbed Redress, which pays homage to his lane friend Unruly Shagel, is the first song from the Unruly boss since signing to Canadian rapper Drake's OVO Sound label. The track is available on all digital media platforms and is produced by Popcorn's Unruly Entertainment record label and Dunwell Productions. Redress sees the Unruly DJ taking shots at his critics, showcasing his trademark cadence and bravado as he details his humble beginnings to battling those who oppose his growth. The new track Redress is on the heels of his new visual, Firm and Strong, taken from the latest album Forever, which has amassed over 700,000 views on music platform YouTube. Now to news overseas, where accusations mount against R. Kelly. The R&B singer's former live-in girlfriend, 27-year-old Dominique Gardner, is alleging that she was physically and emotionally abused by the 52-year-old singer. Now, less than a year after Gardner left Kelly for the last time, she claims that the singer tried to break her during their 9-year relationship, including beating her with an electrical cord.
Gardner told DeRogatis at one point she lived with Kelly and 5 other women. She said, quote, "Everything you do, you have to ask Kelly, including when you can eat or go to the bathroom." She said she often disobeyed and then suffered what she called, quote, consequences, including spankings, slappings, and beatings.
Kelly has denied the accusations. The singer was recently released from jail after an anonymous donor paid $160,000 in back child support. Meanwhile, R. Kelly returned to court today to lower his $21,000 monthly child support payments. However, by the end of the hearing, R. Kelly's lawyer says there has been no change in child support and a new court date has been set for May 8 to continue talks over it. Kelly allegedly stopped paying his ex-wife child support after she spoke out publicly claiming he had abused her. The R&B singer has been charged with 10 counts of criminal sexual abuse and has pleaded not guilty to all charges. Kelly's next hearing on the charges is scheduled for March 22. That's it for this evening's edition of E! Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.